Lily, look! There is a tiny green bug on that leaf. I want to catch it. Alex, you always want to catch bugs. Why are they so interesting to you? Oh no! It flew away! I was close, Lily. I can catch it next time. There is another one near that yellow flower. This time, I will move very slowly. Good, Alex. Move slowly and stay quiet. Maybe this time, you can catch it. I almost got it. That little bug is very fast. I have an idea. We need a bug box. Then we can watch the bugs carefully. This container can work. We can make tiny holes so the bugs can breathe. I know the perfect name. We can call it the Bug Hotel. Come on, Lily. The bug hunt starts now. Let's see what we can find in the garden. Alex, look under this rock. I think I found a tiny black beetle. I got one. Look at its tiny legs. It even has 2 little feelers. Welcome to the Bug Hotel, little beetle. You can stay here for a while. Alex, come here quickly. I think this little grasshopper wants to join our hotel. Wait, don't jump away. I only want to look at you. Slow down, Alex. If we are gentle, it might stay right there. We got it! It jumped right inside. That was much easier than chasing it. Look at that orange butterfly. It keeps moving from one flower to another. Let's follow it carefully. Maybe it will show us another interesting bug. Wow, Lily! There are bugs everywhere. I think we found a whole bug world. There are beetles, ants, butterflies, and even a tiny spider. We should watch them carefully. Look at our bug hotel. The beetle and grasshoppers are moving around inside. Alex, we have quite a few bugs now. Maybe we should not keep them for too long. But I want to watch them a little longer. They are so interesting. Okay, little bugs, you can go now. Thank you for visiting our bug hotel. That ladybug is so tiny. Look, Lily, it is sitting on your finger. Let's walk slowly. There may be something here that is attracting all these insects. There are even more here. Something must be bringing them all to this place. Lily, listen. The buzzing is coming from the shed. I think something is inside. Maybe we should look carefully first. We don't know what is making that sound. Look at those ants. They are all moving toward the same place. They are going inside the wall. Maybe there is a bug home in there. Alex, look at this old jar. There is a paper label on it. It says, Garden Experiment. I wonder who was doing an experiment here. It says, be careful. Alex, maybe we should not touch anything else. Whoa! The buzzing is louder now. It sounds like it is coming from the wall. Alex, look at the wall. There are tiny holes and bugs are coming out. They are all going toward the window. Why are they leaving the shed? I think this notebook may explain everything. Let's read it before we leave. Let's see what this old notebook says. Maybe it can explain why the bugs came here. It says healthy gardens need many kinds of insects. Some insects help flowers and clean the soil. So bugs are not always bad. They can actually help the garden grow. But look at this page. It says too many insects can also become a problem. Something is wrong with the garden. We need to understand the reason before we try to fix it. Let's look for more clues. Maybe the old notebook tells us what happened. Let's check the table and shelves. There may be another clue hidden here. Lily, I found another notebook. This one has a green cover. Alex, look at this drawing. This plant looks exactly like the one in our garden. It says the flowers open at night. Their smell attracts many insects from far away. It really is the same plant. The flowers are opening right now. Look! They are coming because of the flowers. The notebook was right.
There are more and more insects now. Do you think there are too many?
The plant is very large, and there are many insects around it. Something may be making it grow too fast. Look! They are carrying tiny pieces down the plant. Then they disappear into the soil. Don't dig there, Alex. We might hurt the insects or their home.
Maybe the notebook tells us how to control the problem. Let's keep looking.
Wait, Alex. I found something important. It says we must not disturb this plant. It says the plant attracts many insects at night. Alex, I think we have found the beginning of the mystery.